Welcome to a wild ride through the deadliest creatures on the planet. From the heart of the Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, these creatures have evolved to be fierce predators capable of taking down prey many times their size. Some of them are equipped with deadly venom, while others have razor-sharp claws and teeth that can tear through flesh with ease. Whether you're fascinated by these creatures or scared of them, there's no denying their power and deadly nature. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 10 of the world's deadliest animals, exploring their unique features and the reasons why they're so dangerous. So buckle up and get ready to learn about some of the most fearsome creatures on the planet. Criteria for the deadliest animals. Before we dive into the list of the deadliest animals, let's first define what makes an animal deadly. The criteria for the deadliest animals include their ability to cause harm, the frequency of their attacks, and the number of deaths they cause each year. Some animals may not be inherently dangerous, but their proximity to humans and their behavior can make them deadly. Other animals may not have a high body count, but their venom or other lethal capabilities make them some of the deadliest creatures on the planet. With these criteria in mind, let's explore the top 10 deadliest animals. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp or marine stinger, is one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. Its transparent body and tentacles make it almost invisible, making it easy for swimmers and snorkelers to accidentally come into contact with it. The tentacles of the box jellyfish are covered in thousands of tiny, harpoon-like stingers that release potent venom when they come into contact with skin. This venom can cause excruciating pain, muscle cramps, and even heart failure. In some cases, the venom can kill a person within minutes. Despite their deadly reputation, box jellyfish are not aggressive and only sting when they feel threatened. They are most commonly found in the waters around Australia, the Philippines, and Thailand, but can be found in other parts of the world as well. To avoid being stung by a box jellyfish, it's important to stay out of the water during high-risk times and to wear protective clothing when swimming or snorkeling in areas where they are known to inhabit. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, also known as the estuarine crocodile, is the largest living reptile in the world and one of the deadliest predators in the animal kingdom. Found throughout Southeast Asia and northern Australia, saltwater crocodiles are known for their incredible size and strength, as well as their aggressive behavior towards humans. They are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, including water buffalo, sharks, and even other crocodiles. Saltwater crocodile attacks on humans are rare, but when they do occur, they are often fatal. These attacks usually occur near the water, where crocodiles can quickly ambush their prey. Saltwater crocodiles are known for their ability to hold their breath for extended periods of time, making them even more dangerous in the water. To avoid being attacked by a saltwater crocodile, it's important to stay away from the water's edge in areas where they are known to inhabit. The cone snail. The cone snail is a beautiful but deadly creature found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region. Their colorful shells make them popular among collectors, but their venomous harpoon-like teeth make them one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. The venom of the cone snail is extremely potent and can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. Cone snails are not aggressive and only attack humans when they feel threatened. However, their venom can be deadly even in small amounts, making it important to exercise caution when handling these creatures. To avoid being stung by a cone snail, it's best to avoid handling them altogether and to wear protective gloves if handling is necessary. The African elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal in the world and one of the deadliest. While they are known for their gentle nature, African elephants can become aggressive and dangerous when they feel threatened or are protecting their young. These animals are incredibly strong and can easily crush a human with their massive size and weight. African elephant attacks on humans are rare, but when they do occur, they are often fatal. These attacks usually occur when humans get too close to the elephants or when elephants feel threatened by the presence of humans. To avoid being attacked by an African elephant, it's important to keep a safe distance and to avoid getting between an elephant and its young. The Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo, also known as the African buffalo, is one of the deadliest animals in Africa. These massive animals are capable of taking down lions and other predators, making them one of the most feared creatures on the continent. Cape buffalo are known for their aggressive behavior and are responsible for killing more hunters in Africa than any other animal. Cape buffalo attacks on humans are rare, but when they do occur, they are often fatal. These attacks usually occur when humans get too close to the buffalo or when they feel threatened by the presence of humans. To avoid being attacked by a Cape buffalo, it's important to keep a safe distance and to avoid getting between a buffalo and its herd. The mosquito. The mosquito may seem like a harmless creature, but it's responsible for more deaths each year than any other animal on the planet. Mosquitoes are carriers of deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, and are responsible for infecting millions of people each year. These diseases can cause fever, fatigue, and in some cases, death. To avoid being bitten by a mosquito, it's important to use insect repellent and wear protective clothing when in areas where mosquitoes are known to inhabit. Mosquito nets can also be effective in preventing bites while sleeping. The hippopotamus. The hippopotamus may seem like a gentle giant, but it's one of the deadliest animals in Africa. These massive animals are known for their aggressive behavior and are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. Hippos can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and are capable of crushing a human with their massive size and weight. Hippo attacks on humans are rare, but when they do occur, they are often fatal. These attacks usually occur when humans get too close to the hippos or when hippos feel threatened by the presence of humans. To avoid being attacked by a hippopotamus, it's important to keep a safe distance and to avoid getting between a hippo and its herd. The pufferfish. The pufferfish is a cute but deadly creature found in the waters of the Pacific Ocean, Japan, and Southeast Asia. Their unique ability to puff up and become almost spherical when threatened is fascinating to watch, but their venomous spines make them one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. The venom of the pufferfish is extremely potent and can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. Pufferfish are not aggressive and only attack humans when they feel threatened. However, their venom can be deadly even in small amounts, making it important to exercise caution when handling these creatures. To avoid being stung by a pufferfish, it's best to avoid handling them altogether and to wear protective gloves if handling is necessary. The stonefish. The stonefish is a master of disguise and one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. These fish are covered in venomous spines that can cause excruciating pain, muscle paralysis, and even death. The venom of the stonefish is so potent that it can kill a human within hours. Stonefish are not aggressive and only attack humans when they feel threatened. However, their venom can be deadly even in small amounts, making it important to exercise caution when swimming or snorkeling in areas where they are known to inhabit. To avoid being stung by a stonefish, it's best to avoid touching them altogether and to wear protective footwear when wading through shallow waters. Conclusion. In conclusion, the world is full of deadly creatures that have evolved over time to become some of the most fearsome predators on the planet. From the box jellyfish to the saltwater crocodile, these animals have the power to kill humans with ease. While some of these creatures are aggressive and attack without provocation, others are only deadly when they feel threatened or are mishandled. By understanding the behaviors and habitats of these animals, we can reduce the risk of being attacked and appreciate their unique place in the animal kingdom.